I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Email Octopus. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, click on Email Octopus API key. Click on Create Key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Then click Create. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate to Email Octopus page. Now select the lists. Here is the data that came into Email Octopus through the integration. Thanks for watching.